Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to show you why you need this inline water filtration system. This Waterdrop Inline filter is so cool. It is made for ice makers, refrigerators, water coolers, anything that you need drinking water. And I love how easy it was to set up. Here it's in my laundry room, so it is tied into my washer water line. So I love that I'm able to do that, and it came with all the fittings that I needed to get it hooked up to my ice maker. It even has the little clip to hang it on the wall. I'm very pleased with the functionality of it. It does take out all the hard sediment and rust and particles that are in the water. And I have very hard water, so I needed something so I wasn't having to constantly fill my ice maker with distilled water. But look at how perfect the ice that it makes. This water filter makes this ice taste great. So whether you're just filtering drinking water or making ice, whatever your needs are, this Waterdrop Inline water filter is definitely the water filter for you, and that is my point of view.